Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how you can easily use Buffer for your social media management. So now let's get started and see how. First of all, you can create your account from here, or you can just go and press on login if you have an existing account. So here I will just insert my credentials, and now I will insert my password. Then I'm gonna press on login. One more time, sorry. Here is my account, and I'm gonna insert my password, and let's go. So this is basically how your Buffer will look like. First of all, if you want to start using Buffer and creating your posts and managing them, you need first to connect to a channel. This is done by going to new channel here and pressing on it. Here you will find the opportunity to connect a channel on many platforms. So for example, Facebook here is the most popular channel used. Twitter is the top connected. TikTok is the most engaging. YouTube is the trending, and more. So here, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna connect my Pinterest as a trial. So let's press on connect and wait for it to load. And here it is. I will just give it access. Okay, it refused because I do not have a business account, so I guess I'm gonna go and connect my Facebook page and start connecting. Now I'm gonna press on continue. And I'm gonna use this page and press on add to buffer. Perfect, it has been connected. So now I am ready to go to create my post. So this is done by going to publishing here. And you will find a calendar. You can navigate through this calendar. I will just press on this arrow to get me through 10 to 16. So if I want to create a post on Friday, the middle of December, I can go and choose the time that I want. So if I want it at 5 p.m., for example, I'm going there and I'm gonna click on the plus sign here. So now I can create the post I want. So I can say, welcome back, for example, and I can insert an image from my own device. So now let's navigate downward. 1 second. Okay, this is the one I want. Now it's uploading, so I will wait for a couple of seconds to load. I can also add an emoji, or I can add a hashtag. I can schedule it as a draft or schedule it as a post. So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on schedule post, and voila, it has been created. So if you want to change your mind and edit it, you can press on edit here, or you can delete using the delete button, and it will ask you for confirmation. I will press on confirm, and the post is deleted. So this is basically how you can control your posts using Buffer. You can also go and visit your analytics here. So here you can see your audience, you can see the impressions, engagements, you can see key metrics and the insights about your page, which will help you, by the way, to successfully manage it and control it and see its trends to find out more about the key metrics for success to your own page and business. You can also connect to other channels from here. And now let's move on to engagement, which is the next tab. Now you can see all the videos related to your page. You can also see the interactions with your own posts. So if I want to see any interaction to any of these videos, I can just click on it, and I will see here the number of likes, for example, the number of comments, for example. I can engage with the next post. So if I want to go here to this post, I will find the comments, and I can also reply to different comments. Now I'm just gonna go to the next tab, which is the stored page. In this page, you can create like a landing page or a welcome page. It's not so fancy to be a website. However, it can be like a stored page or a welcome page. So you can navigate and choose the template that you want. So let's just scroll down until we find something suitable for us. This one is nice. I can go and click on it. And now I'm gonna choose the name of the stored page. So I will write the same name as my business page. And I'm gonna go next. Now here you can edit on any of these existing fields by just clicking. On the right menu here. So basically, if you want to edit this logo, for example, you will find it in your layout. You will find all the components here. So if I want to edit this image, I'm just gonna go to profile image or logo here, and I'm gonna press on this button. Then I will choose my logo. And now it has been changed. I can do the same to any of these sections. So I can go now back, and I can, if I want to change this button, I can click on it on the right menu, and I can change the label, for example, like this. And it has been changed. I can also change the link to which it will send me. So I can make this as my website or my Facebook page link. I can control and edit any of these parts. So I can navigate or I can scroll downward to see what is next. I can just close this. And now I'm gonna go downward here. If I want to change this image, for example, I will find it here. And I can change it to any other image. So this is basically how you can change any of these elements. But what about creating an image or an element from scratch? This is done by going to add clock here. And now you can drag and drop any of these items, or you can just click on it. It's not by drag and drop, it's by clicking. So here you will choose the image, for example. Let's say I want to upload this image. Okay. And I will wait for it to upload. Just a couple of seconds. And I think it has been uploaded. I can add a caption here. Welcome, for example. And now by scrolling down here, sorry, it's lagging. By going down, I can see that my image has been successfully added here. I can also go to layout now, and I can scroll downward, and I can change the arrangement of my image by clicking on here. Sorry. By going to this part and drag it, so I can now control where my element exists. So now if I go upward, I will find it here. Now the third tab is the appearance, which controls the format of your own page. So I can change the color, for example, and font as well. I can change button color from here, and I can change fonts. And once I'm done, I can press on publish changes here. And now I will need to write my business name. So let's just write the same name as before. And publish stored page. And voila. You can copy your link, and you can you can go to another tab, for example, and you can go here and you will find your own page successfully. And this is how easy you can use Buffer. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.